If you have a Kia vehicle that has excessive engine movement that can cost you thousands of dollars if you don't fix it, stay with us and we'll explain what causes that. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle. Let's say you guys have a Kia vehicle and you feel quite a bit of engine movement when changing gears, or if you have automatic transmission going from park to reverse and then drive, then back to reverse, you feel your engine twisting and moving quite a bit. We will explain what causes that and how it can cost you thousands of dollars to fix it guys. So make sure to stand till the end. We'll share super helpful information with you today. Even though we're demonstrating on Kia Optima, it should be helpful on most Kia vehicles, especially with 4-cylinder engines guys, and some of those could be Kia Optima, Forte Sportage Sorento, Kia Rio and Kia Soul as well. So let's go ahead and explain what it is now. So, let us guys tell us a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We try to take them completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy parts, tools for your Kia vehicle, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and parts from. Check it out, parts for really good price and quick shipping as well. In addition guys, if you want to save even more money and learn how to fix your car for free, check out our main channel, Auto Repair guys. You can find so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs guys. We have helped more than 100 million people on this channel. So let's start on it now. So, right here guys, we have this 2013 Kia that we'll demonstrate on, but doesn't matter what you have, the procedure is about the same. So when you shift gears guys, or go from reverse to drive, back to park or reverse, and it's normal to have some engine movement. It's normal to move a little bit, half an inch to an inch. You can see even the hoses are made to where they can take some movement, but if that excessive movement, if that movement grows into excessive movement, it moves violently guys, you can see how much stress we put on vacuum lines, hoses, cooling system, wires, the exhaust system. Let's do it again. That can guys cost you thousands of dollars to fix. Okay, you can break wiring harness, exhaust system, so those are expensive things guys, or coolant system, and you can overheat your engine and say bye bye to it. So what causes that guys? You have most of the times 3 or 4, but most of the times 3 engine mounts on Kia vehicles. One is known as the passenger engine mount, which is right here. It keeps the engine up on this side mostly. It prevents movement back and forth, okay, but not so much about rocking the engine, and it prevents vibrations being sent to the body. The same thing, you have transmission mount on this side. Those mounts prevent some rocking, but not so much guys. So you have another third mount, or sometimes 2 mounts on the bottom. So let me climb underneath that Kia now to show you. Okay, and this is known as a torque strut mount or lower engine mount. We have it disconnected, so it's like it's broken, malfunctioning. So let's rock it now. Let's rock the engine and you'll see that mount, if it's malfunctioning, it will allow engine movement guys, and that movement can develop here in the bushing. The bushing may fail really easily if it's an older vehicle, or the mount can fail on the backside. So that's the number one thing guys for excessive engine movement, and if that one failed violently, it's bad. I would recommend to replace the other engine mounts too, because probably they had some stress as well. They're not expensive, the whole kit is not expensive on a Kia vehicle, and I'll put the link to where we get all our tools and parts from so you can check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.